All right, guys, this is August 2020 on a Friday.
That's right.
And welcome to Animal Kingdom. What we're going to be doing today is we're just going to be showing you what it's like to come 2 hours before the park closes. It is 4 o'clock now, and they close at 6 today. Also, we forgot to hit the footage as we were walking in, and we just wanted to let you know that there was literally nobody coming in at all. They were all leaving at this time. And also, just...
The storm might be coming.
Yeah, the storm might be coming too, so that might be another reason. But right now it's really cool and it's really nice. So stick with us, guys. We're going to show you what it's like to be here 2 hours before the park closes.
Yes. Oh. The boneyard is still closed. 15-minute standby at Dinosaur. Primeval Whirl is currently closed. 10-minute wait at Triceratops Spin. And all of the carnival games are still closed.
Alright guys, so as you can see, not too many people. Pretty much get on almost every ride here almost. But we're not done. We still got 3/4 of the park to run through yet.
That's right.
To show you what it's like 2 hours before closing here at Animal
On a Friday.
Kingdom. Yeah, and it's overcast. It's actually really nice right now.
Yes,
So,
perfect.
let's move along and see what else.
Yeah. Expedition Everest has got a 10-minute standby.
Basically, walk right on.
That's right. Probably take you that long to walk to the front. Cali River Rapids, 15-minute standby, which I think is pretty much going to be a walk-on. Maharaja Jungle Trek. Hi, how are you? Oh, he's liking this cool weather. The bats are out. Perfect. In here through the Jungle Trek, since there were doors that we just went in and out for the bats, they have sanitizer at the end. Well, he's resting, but we got to see a tiger. Moving on.
Something about her that makes her really special.
And what's that?
She is 20 years old.
Aww.
They normally live to be 12.
Oh my gosh.
She still runs. She doesn't show signs, at least not to me, of arthritis.
Wow.
She'll run around out here. She's nowhere near as fast as our black bucket antelope that you see laying down on that hill. By the way, that means that later on it's going to rain. At least I think so.
I actually agree with you.
Maybe not now, but probably around 6 o'clock. Yeah, that's just been my observation. They run 50 miles per hour. Emma's more like 15 miles per hour, but still.
That's good for Emma.
She'll get very still and turn her ears and listen to the song.
Another sanitizer at the end of the jungle trek. Don't forget, they have a relaxation station over here in Asia. Across from yep, right across from the bird show.
I mean, look how dead it is, huh?
Looking empty over here at Harambe Village. Rafiki's Planet Watch is open from 9:30 to 4:30, so get here before 4:30. Let's go check out Gorilla Falls Exploration Trail. Feeding time. That's so cute. Zebra. "20-minute wait for Kilimanjaro Safari." This is where the Lion King show would be if they were doing it. Heading over to Pandora. Looks like a lot of people are heading that way also. "10-minute standby for flights of passage." "5-minute standby for Navi River Journey." And it looks like here at Animal Kingdom they have the trash lids open as well, so you don't have to push them open. I've never seen this backpack before. $90. That's cute. And all of this dated merchandise is buy one get one free, including the pins. So you can get 2 of these packs for $32.99, which would be a good deal, because if you don't have anything to trade, you buy one get one free, and you could trade the second set. So all of this merchandise is buy one get one free. $9.99. $25.99 for the ornament. $30% off of the Americana stuff here. So it must be throughout everywhere, through all Disney, because at the fort it's 30% off as well. Look at this magic band. $24.99.
Alright, so it's 14. That ain't bad. Alright guys, we hope you enjoyed this little excursion over here to Animal Kingdom at the last 2 hours until closing.
That's right.
And we had a great time. As you can see in the video, there wasn't too many crowds, there wasn't too long of waits for the rides. Of course, there was things that weren't open due to the pandemic also. So
yes, and the fact that it was a little bit later in the day, so certain restaurants and places to eat are closed, and Rafiki's Planet Watch closes a little bit earlier, so keep that in mind.
But as far as going on rides and doing what is it, the little trails?
Yes, the jungle trek, and you saw we were able to see those.
All in all, it was a great time.
Yes.
Got a lot done in 2 hours. And we appreciate you guys for watching. We hope you enjoyed it too. And until next time, guys, we hope to see you
at Animal Kingdom?
maybe.
Bye.
See you guys.